Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to the Smiling Vikings channel. Today, it's muggy and rainy out, and I fucking love it. This is the kind of weather I enjoy. Not too hot, not too cold. I ain't got shit to do today, so I ain't got nowhere to go. So I'm gonna spend the day enjoying myself, making myself smile. We got a little bonus for today's episode. I was able to get my hands on some of these MetaZoo cards from all the way back in 2023. And let's see what we get before we go to the main opening. I got a Chibi Familiar. I got a Ticket Roll. I got a Chibi Poltergeist. That's kind of cute. I got Kuromi's Spooky Mask. She's dressing up as the Mothman. Chibi Command. Kuromi and Chibi Sewer Alligator. My Melody and Chibi Someone Else. These are pretty cool. But on to the real opening. I got more of them little rainbow guys. We are after the whole set, technically. Let's go! And for the first one we got a Kuromi! Not the Kuromi I'm after for my personal collection, but we got a Kuromi, which is kind of cool. It goes with the cards. I hate plastic wrap. Gotta hurry up because the video's almost over. The one downside of doing unplanned things in your video, you sometimes run out of time. And for the other one, I got a double of Choco Cat, but I get to keep this one. That is all I got for you today. Peace out and go fuck yourselves.